Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Here we will be a presentation about discussion tangible asset and intangible assets. Before we explain about tangible asset and intangible assets, let me introduce ourselves. We from study program Accounting Regular Class 20B, the member of the group. First, Dwi Okthafiani. The study number 20-01020031. Second, Asma Nanda.A.A. The study number 20-01020055. Definition of tangible assets. Tangible assets are assets that are long-term or relatively permanent in nature and have physical form, such as machine tools, building, and land. The characteristic of the tangible assets. 1. Tangible assets has a physical form. 2. Actively used in the normal activities of the company. 3. Tangible assets are not used for sale. 4. Has a relatively permanent useful period or age or more than one period accounting for more than one year. 5. Profits benefit in the future. Tangible assets can be divided into three groups. First, tangible assets whose age or useful life are not limited. For example, land or building, factory and office. Second, tangible assets which are or limited or useful life and can be replaced with similar assets when their useful life has ended. For example, building, factory, machinery, and equipment. Third, tangible assets whose age or usefulness is limited and cannot be replaced by similar assets when their useful life has expired. For example, of natural resources are mines and forests.
What are intangible assets? Intangible assets or intangible assets are one of the most important assets and have an influence of the company, especially for large companies. When viewed from the name, this asset is intangible. It does not mean that this asset is insignificant and has no influence on the company. Characteristics of intangible asset. 1. Intangible in real. 2. Cannot be categorized as a financial instrument. 3. Long-term asset. In accounting, the treatment of intangible asset is as follows. Number 1. Recognition of intangible asset. The individual or company has the potential to obtain future economic benefit from the asset. Costs can be measured reliably. Assessment or measurement of intangible asset. The purchase price includes import duty and non-refundable purchase tax after deducting discount and rebates. Any cost that can be directly related to preparing the asset so that it is ready for us. The example of intangible asset in a business or company are as follows. Number 1, copyright such as in the form of a book. Number 2, a musician who owns the copyright to a song that is created. Number 3, the engine design of a car factory that can generate profit from the company or patent. Number 4, drug from pharmaceutical companies for a certain period of time can generate a profit for the company or patent. Number 5, individuals or companies willing to buy an asset with a value higher than book value or goodwill. Number 6, trademarks, which are the rights of a company marketing the product they produce and sell. So many presentation for me. If there is a material wrong or there are wrong words, I apologize and thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.